Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to set up earn money on Omlet Arcade. Well, as of June 30, 2023, Omlet Arcade servers have stopped working. Even though the app is still usable, streaming and creating new accounts are currently not possible. Consequently, you can't set up earning money on Omlet Arcade at the moment. However, if the servers reopen, here's how you can set up earning money on Omlet Arcade. First, open your Omlet Arcade app. Then locate the monetization or earning money settings. This is usually in the profile or account section, so tap your profile at the upper right corner and find the earning money settings. Connect your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or bank account, to receive earnings. This ensures a smooth transaction process when you start making money on the platform. Active features like ads or donation in the monetization settings. This allows you to earn money through advertisements during your streams or receive donation from your audience. Consider offer in-app purchases to your viewers. This can include exclusive content or special perks that viewers can purchase to support you financially. And that's how to set up earn money on Omlet Arcade. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.